Hi, it's Graham Bibby on the 17th of November 2015, coming to you with a bit of a market roundup following the jitters of the end of last week, where we are at the beginning of this week. And so far, it looks like good news because I sent you out a email at the end of last week advising that some averages looked like they were breaking down, but we come to support level, and that's where we needed to see support. So some interesting stock formation, especially in the Insiders Club. So just to quickly take you through this. On Friday, the negative was we'd had two serious down days here, and we ended on the low here. But last night, there was a little bit of follow through, and then the buyers came in, and we've ended on the high. And we've actually bounced off this moving average, which has not turned up yet. But if it does, that's the longer term trend. That's really bullish. And we've moved above the shorter term moving average, which is really, really good. This is the NASDAQ coming up now. And again, we've moved above, and we bounced off of this longer term moving average. So that's great. Now, let me take you through a list of stocks I thought looked interesting. This is Silicon Motion Technology. It's been in a nice uptrend. It bounced off of this average. This one is definitely turned up. It was up 3.3% last night. I think the stock looks brilliant. Looks like it's going to be on a great run. This is Dicom Industries, which we've been in and out of a few times because these breakdowns here, up, then a breakdown again, but the stock really wants to go up. It's above this moving average and this moving average, so it's looking pretty good right now. So that would be a good one to add. I've added in a few other little stocks which we're not in, but interesting. This is Halliburton, which appears to me, when I look at this is the big decline. We try to rally, big decline. Looks like we're bottoming out here in the oil sector, and nobody loves it, so could be a contrarian. This is Schlumberger, which has now got bottom here, which was equal to that bottom, this top equal to these tops, but this bottom was then higher. Then we broke out, then we got a higher bottom, and if I zoom back out, we're moving above the two averages. Dare I say it, oil may have bottomed. This is Federal Express. You know, they move things around. Downtrends are not good because that normally portrays business of moving things around. Air delivery and freight services is bad, but we're now in an uptrend above the two averages. That looks pretty cool to me. And okay, let's come over to one of our previous favorites, A.O. Smith Corporation. It broke out of these resistance levels. It tested back. It's up. The averages are moving up, looking good. Kimberly-Clark is a new stock that I found undervalued with superior earnings at 1.88. Both of these averages turning up, looks good. Starbucks, the dear old Chinese coffee company. Well, it's not Chinese, of course, but its biggest expansions in China. This is why it's had these great runs. But it was in correction mode, and it's gone. This longer term average says we're going up, and now we're going to go above the short term one. Looks good. This company here is in gaming, multimedia, graphics. Looks good. We had the volatility with the rest of the market here. We did also back here in August when the markets all went jittery. But we've got two rising moving averages, and it looks good. And then we got Mickey D's. This is a bit more conservative, if you can believe that, with Mickey D's, because we broke out of this nearly 4 year sideways trading range between these two levels. We've broken out to the upside, and it looks really positive. This is soaring. This is on its way up. Looks to me that Mickey D's is going up much, much more. Russell 2000 bounced off this support level. Boing. We're not above these two averages yet, so we need to see that happen. And if it does, it'll be bullish for the whole of the market. Then Synaptics is another computer peripheral company that we've had. Didn't correct that much. Now looking really positive. This moving average turning up, this one moving up. I'll just show you good old Facebook. Facebook, very interesting, because it only had one big down day, which was Friday, ended on the low. But now we've done the reversal. We've kind of ended up the high just above Friday's close. Need to see a little bit more price action, but these two averages pointing up look pretty cool. Looks like that should gain momentum. And here we are, the US dollar broke out of a sideways consolidation, has now given a buy with a stop loss at 98. This is a US dollar index. So the first buy I had was way back here where the arrow is now, which was at 80, and then went all the way to 100, which is 25% appreciation. They're printing money like crazy. Appreciation from July to March of this year. And then we've been in this, where are we going from now period, consolidation, trying to break down. It's broken out to the upside. So it looks to me as if the US dollar is going higher. So right now, after last night's market action, things are looking a lot better than they did. And let's hope that portrays, after such a tragedy in Paris, and the concerns about US putting the interest rates up, this looks really positive, because if there's negative things to impact the market and it's not, and the market's holding there and then the market's going up, that is really, really good news. So Graham Bibby on the 17th, 11th, 2015, saying bye for now, and I'll be back to you soon. And if you've got any queries or you're looking to join the Insiders Club, Special Situations is knocking the ball out of the park. Our Chinese holdings in our FOS are doing stellar. China ETS were the best performing market last night, and our undervalued superior earning stocks, as I just shown you, just a number of them, looking really, really good. So Graham Bibby, under 7 minutes. Bye-bye for now.